Good morning to another adventure in the Arizona high desert. We're bushwhacking through some scrub oak and thick juniper. It's going to be a tough hike because it's so thick. Catch you if I find something. This is pretty thick. We're picking our way up through the rough areas. Once in a while I'll walk into a clearing, just sort of stop and appreciate it. All right, well, I'll catch you at the top unless I find something else before then. We still got a little bit of ways to go before we get to the height of the land, so we still have hopes there might be a ruin up here. We're at the summit. It still doesn't look like there's a ruin up here. Maybe it's up a little farther. Ooh, it could be all natural. Oh no, there's a wall. Okay, so definitely a stacked wall, whole room. It blends in so well with the natural. As you can see, that's a natural ledge that they used for part of the wall, but this is a beauty. So, size from what I can tell here is about 10 feet by 15 feet. It's a little bit narrower on that end, but this end back here is about 10 feet. And I think it's about 15 feet from me to the other wall. Yep, it's starting to cave in pretty bad, but there's quite a few rocks down here. So these actually, I'm above, by looks, 2 more rooms. Looks like there might be 2 more rooms right there. Well, you can really hear the highway from here. And there might be even a 3rd room right here. Very cool. Well, hopefully the drone footage will show. So there are the stacked walls of the main room that's still up. And then down here, it's hard to make out, but there's another room right here. And there's another room right over there. And then over by that big the taller scrub oak, there's another room. And looks like they all used the back natural ledge as their back wall. This looks like it would have been quite a structure when it was erected. It's all made out of this pinkish color granite. This is a natural outcropping here. That's the main room. There's a lot of rocks up here. On the very top, there's a lot of rocks up here. Maybe they made a platform to stand on because they could see a long, long, long ways from up here. Well, that was a pretty good adventure. I'm not sure how old that ruin was. Looks like the walled-in area may have been stacked more recently, but there were definitely multiple rooms up there. So it was probably an original ruin, and those walls may have been stacked, 50 years ago or 20 years ago, whatever. But it was a great adventure. It was about a 300-foot elevation gain in about a third of a mile. So it was a good workout. All right. Catch you next week. Bye.